Okay, example 2 says find 4 consecutive odd integers. So again, consecutive integers. This time it says odd, and we want 4 of them. So again, if I represent some letter n to represent some odd number, I don't know what odd number it is, but it represents an odd number. The next bigger odd number than that's going to be 2 more. The next one bigger than that's going to be 4 more. The next one bigger than that's going to be 6 more. And again, I can't say this enough because at least 2 or 3 of you are going to do this anyway. You don't add 1 and 3 and 5 to make odd numbers. Okay, people want to do that all day long and twice on Sunday, but every year I say this and nobody ever believes me, but so I guess some people do. But if this is an odd number such as 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. 9 plus 4 is 13. 9 plus 6 is 15. We're creating a list of odd numbers using an even pattern because that's just how odd numbers go. They go up 2 at a time. Even though they're odd numbers, they're going up 2 at a time. So please trust me, those are odd numbers if n is odd. All right. Once again, such that means an equation starting the sum of the first and fourth. So the first is being added to the fourth. First is n, fourth is n plus 6. N plus n plus 6. Is means equals. Anytime we see greater than or less than, we ignore to the end. All right, now notice this next one. This also is something that trips people up quite often. It says the opposite of the third. What's the third? N plus 4 is the third. How many objects is that? 2. To make the opposite of a multiple object thing, you have to change the sign of everything. So it means minus n minus 4. All right, you're changing the sign of an object that's being represented by multiple things. Every piece of that has to be changed. So minus n is the opposite of the first. Minus n minus 2 is the opposite of the second. Minus n minus 4 opposite of the third. Minus n minus 6 opposite of the fourth. So again, multiple object things, which happens a lot in these problems. Make sure you change both signs. And then finally, the 25 greater than happens after the word is, so the right-hand side gets fixed. Put a plus 25 at the very end. Okay, just like that, we created our equation. Once again, looking at like terms on both sides. On the left-hand side, 1n plus 1n makes 2n plus the 6 that's there. The right-hand side, I got a negative n, and then minus 4 plus 25 makes plus 21. Subtracting those because the signs are different. Positive because 25 is bigger. I've got letters on both sides and numbers on both sides. Be cautious when you are solving that you do things properly. If I move something across the equal sign, it's going to change sign. So negative n moves over as a plus n. Plus 6 moves over as a minus 6. 2n plus 1n makes 3n. 21 minus 6 makes 15. Divide both sides by 3, we get n equals 5, which is an odd number, right? If n's an odd number, 5, we're supposed to list 4 consecutive integers. We got to go up by 2, by 4, by 6. So 5, 7, 9, 11 would be the 4 numbers we're looking for in this case.